posters. This is the... Oh, it's nice, Anika. Hello friends, good morning. So right now I'm inside my tent, and then we're about to leave to go explore the bridges and to go explore the bridges in this village, and I will show you. I hope you will like it later. So this is my tent. This is me inside my tent. We're about to leave. I have wrapped up my blankets and all. My shoes are dirty. Look at it, very dirty. It's just a small root bridge, but it looks beautiful. And look at how beautiful this village is. Now we will go track to the bridges that are there in this village. There are so many living root bridges actually, but we're going to explore only some, maybe 3, 4, and then we'll come back because we don't have time. We have to go back by 2, and we have to climb the steps. So it'll take maybe an hour or 2 to get back up there. Let me show you the beautiful village. Beautiful of this village, the beauty of this village. See that is small house over there. It seems like people here, mostly they are planting brooms. Look at it. There are so many. And yes, look, it seems like this whole mountain is full of rocks, like everywhere you go. So many rocks. So many. Look at these kids. How cute they are. Look at them. Okay, I think I need to run. I don't want to stay behind. Otherwise my friend will leave me. See, look at the mountain. How beautiful it is. Mountain. Look at their houses. And let me tell you something. You would not believe it. The hard work of these people in this village they are working. I mean, they have to come down like thousands of steps, and then imagine they are building this cement step here, and how long would have taken them to carry all the way down here. These villages, people here are hard working actually. And just look at the brooms. This place is very beautiful. It's quite fun. Look at it. Those are my friends. Those are my friends. And yeah, we're in the middle of the forest in this village again. It's a beautiful village. Hi. Oh, now I can hear the sound of the river. We tracked down yesterday like thousands of steps, so my friend's legs are paining. It is. Look at it. Oh God. I think Nika would not want to come back here.
What?
Nah?
I can come back, but I have to go for gym first.
For gym. Wow, look at the beauty. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's literally beautiful. Back into track. So beautiful. And we are heading to this way. This is beautiful. See? Beautiful, this forest. It's just too beautiful. Let me show you. I am literally walking underneath the brooms. Look at it. It is so beautiful. Yeah. Oh, and there's a river down. River down there, the stream. You can hear it. And then down the hill. Oh, okay, the river's here. It's clean. It's very clean. I think we're, oh, the first living root bridge. Here we are. Heading at the first living root bridge. And these are the rubber trees. These trees they are forming what? Living root bridge. This, let me show you how this living root bridge formed. And that's how. That is how the roots are going. See. Oh, see, let's see the river. Good. Jinggi.
Wow!
Okay. Yeah, we are just joined the top instead of crawling. Oh, we're heading to another road bridges. And this is the way my friend is tired, but we're having fun now.
This is the meat 40 or what?
Yeah,
No, I did not feel it.
40 for curry also.
Which one?
Pineapple, no? What? Pineapple is growing on top of the rock. Yeah. Gitu. These are pineapple, I think. So nice, huh? Another living root bridge. Wow, wow, wow. It's like an avatar. Nah, look at it. Beautiful. Apa? Nandi ngasih. See, I'm walking under the realms of Avatar. So beautiful. Wow. Wow. Look at it, so beautiful. My friends are there waiting. This is the second living root bridges that we are exploring, and as you can see, the trunk is so huge, and the roots are so strong. Just look at it. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And they are building another one from top of there. You can see it from there, like goes from there all the way there. So it'll take years to complete, I think. Now we are heading to where, Aida? Heading to the next route bridge.
Destination, but we don't know yet the.
Yeah, how would it look like? Oh, look at how beautiful. Very beautiful. We're heading to the next destination. Next destination. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Such a beautiful village. There's Mama carrying something. Hello, sir.
Enjoy, sir.
This is what's called Nongblai Day. It's Nongblai Government Lower Primary School. It's a very small school. This is the school.
I can walk anymore. I want to explore. My leg is paining, but I will still go on. But luckily, tomorrow you can. It's fine.
Not holiday. We have to go tomorrow Tuesday.
We have off. Nah,
You have off, but then sir might.
give us holiday. What? Tomorrow is not off. It's not off.
For us, it's Tuesday. Tomorrow Tuesday, right? Tuesday,
Yeah.
Thursday.
Every week, no? We have to go three days in 1 week. And then Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, nah? Friday, and then next week, no, we have to go only to
Me and my friend are discussing about working time,
only Tuesday and Thursday.
working days.
Next week onward.
So beautiful.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And this week, we have to go only
It's beautiful.
2 days. Yeah, tomorrow is weekend for us.
Look at these
Today was
kids.
holiday, but tomorrow we had.
We have to
Hello.
go for work, no? But
We are doing fun today, so we might.
And Pipi.
all except
Hello. Kertiak na tanah rapi kita. Tahu mah? Desa ni labas nama tahu. Rooster. Rooster is running away from me. Trying to run away from me. This house is so beautiful. Very beautiful. They will dry them and then sell them to Shillong City. And I believe they supply them to all over Northeast. They also have a football ground. football ground for the kids to play. See, this village is so beautiful. Houses are so beautiful. Look at it. And we have another school. I believe it's a school, but it's beautiful. You have to go down again. Down. Hey, down. Oh my goodness. Oops. We have to keep going down. It's very steep. Look at that. So we're literally in the middle of the jungle. You are my sunshine. Trees. Look at the sea. There's the road bridge. There's the bridge. Look at the road bridge. It's look at it. Okay. Look at how beautiful this road bridge is. Like literally beautiful. And this is the third one. Oh god. We've come into a wrong way.
You have to go downside.
We have to go downside. We are looking for a better swimming spot. I think it's this way.
Smells like rice beer, man.
Rice beer, they're making rice beer here. So much fun. They will come and join us. Walk from this way. Wait, let me show you. Let me show you my friends are swimming. Now we are heading back up and we left the camp. It was so much fun. Now we have to climb the step, which is how many? 7,000 steps?
7,000 steps.
Yeah, 7,000 steps. And I might want to come back. Not might, I want to come back. It's so much fun actually. Aida, do you want to come back? Let's see. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. One of our friends, she's feeling tired and she's resting. You were the first one who left, right? Or not the first? Wow, Baba. Do you know how many steps are we climbing? 7,000.
7,000. Yeah.
No, until the football field. But if they count more, if they count all the way down to the bridge, I think it's more than, I don't know, 7,500, maybe 8,000 steps. Yes, oh sorry.
We will rest in the...
My friends are tired. It's such a beautiful view. Wow, look at it. It is so much fun actually climbing this these steps. Again, it's 7,000 steps, but it's so much fun.
Yeah, here.
It is so much fun. Let me show you the steps. You have to climb those steps. Yes. See, some of my friends are already up there. Some of them are still down. Look at them. And the view is beautiful. Look. It's beautiful. And I'm tired. Bah. It is so hot. And I'm wearing my jacket because in Shillong the weather is very cold, so we did not know that it's gonna be this hot here, but to be prepared, I think it's better. And while climbing up the hill, and this is what we see, the view is so beautiful. It's really beautiful. This is the resting spot. If you feel tired, you can rest here, and there are more. I mean, look at this. So beautiful, these rocks. There they are, way up there. Way up there. Aida, chalo, wait.
Shall I go or shall I wait?
You chalo and then you wait.
Nika said, okay, chalo, wait.
Oh, listen to the wind, the howling wind. Wow, what could be better than this? Aida.
But why not? Can
She's
build
way
from
up there. Yeah.
Nowadays, the tractor everything is there.
There's the village. That is where we came from. And there are 50 houses. Some of them are empty and some of them are there. People are living. Look at it. It's a beautiful village, like right in the middle of the jungle. Now we are living. How many times have you guys rested? 3? If you believe me, na, if you just keep on moving slowly, you will not feel tired actually. But if you rest for too long, no, you will feel lazy. Such a beautiful view, and it's so foggy. Still foggy, even in the middle of the day. But it's beautiful. Very beautiful. I think I can show you the village way down there. You can see the football field, the houses. Oh my goodness. Chalo. Nika, come on Nika. Yeah. See, you still have energy. You can still run. So okay, this is a resting place for all of you, those who are watching this video, and if you're planning to come and trek here, don't worry, there are so many resting places actually. This is one of them, and we have climbed up, like we have crossed two resting spot, including this, two with this. So yes, the place is so beautiful, you will love it. Yeah. Go.
Wow. Hello, what is it? Wow, it's a long way. So long. I'm tired.
Oh God.
Oh.
Oh my God. Still, still a long way. But we can see the tower is close to us.
Close to us, but the long way.
Brooms, brooms, brooms. Yeah. No, I don't want to climb here. I have to come back down. Oh, it's nice, Anika. It's like doing exercise. Oh my goodness. I'm tired. Thế cắt cái này kì lùm đúng không? Cắt cái này kì lùm ta, oh my goodness. No? My goodness. Okay. We are about to reach. Oh my goodness. And we are complaining carrying just our backpack, but look at them. They are carrying woods. Oh, be careful. My goodness, they're carrying lots of woods. Double, triple energy. Double, triple energy. Again we are complaining. अरे बाप रे, ये किसका नंबर है? will never reach again. Amen. Jesus.
One is zone, one is 1, one is 10, one is 10.
Huh? One is spin.
I am so hungry. Do you guys feel hungry or not? I can hear some voices.
Yes.
Maybe some of them are still there. Oh, now let's have fun.
Oh, Nika.
One step at a time. Like this.
What's the song today?
Huh?
Oh, and so, yeah.
Hiện mình bằng bạch tiếng thịt á, dài đến tị tị nào, tăng sạch nhỉ, ta bằng lên chìm vậy thì,
Iru sạch khăn mà vậy. Hả? Finally, we have reached.
This is a sacred forest.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness. We have finally reached. So friends, we have finally reached the top of this mountain and we will go have, we're so tired and our legs hurt, so we will go rest, we will go have lunch. Oh my goodness, it's tiring, but it's so much fun. Look at my friends back there. So much fun. Let me show you the village. There is the village. This is probably a school. Oh yeah, it is. Ahaha, finally. We've arrived. Oh goodness. After climbing, it's what, 7,000 steps.